how to tag someone in a Wrike post. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply tag someone in a Wrike post. So firstly, when you guys log in into Wrike, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So if you guys have some tasks created, well then after that, simply click on that particular task. So wait for a few seconds while it loads up. And then after that, once you guys see all of your tasks, simply click on any task. And then after that, you guys can just simply click on this particular button, which is add assignee. And you guys can simply type in the email of the person you want to add. And then that particular person is going to be assigned and tagged in this particular post. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to tag anyone in a Wrike post. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. And also as a bonus tip, what I would say is that you guys can also unassign or untag any person that you guys want. For example, you guys can click on the cross button and you guys will be able to untag that particular person, and that person will not be able to see their tag anymore. So guys, that is how easy it is for you to tag and untag someone on Wrike. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.